How many people get a haunted mansion for a night to themselves? You feel their afflictions.
This is the room where I have seen things right behind me. The most disconcerting thing that I've seen, the most difficult to handle paranormal experience that I've had. I saw Guinevere in there, but it wasn't her. She was in our room, and it was like a doppelganger was in there, doing the same thing over and over again. She was walking back and forth, wearing this red dress. And I knew that Guinevere wasn't in there, because I had just walked out of the room where she was. I was brushing my teeth, I saw this, so I went into the room. And you know how when you see something that you know it's not really there, so you turn on the light switch and it's gone. It clears up whatever it was. It clears up. So I turned on the light switch. I went right up to it, went right to the room, turned on the light switch, and it didn't go away. So I called out, I yelled, "Honey, come here!" You know? And she did. She came, and just as she arrived, then there was nothing but a dissipating of lights. Just like, it wouldn't go away when I turned on the lights. But that's not what it's about, because that's not that disconcerting. What bothers me is the knowledge that there's something dark about it. There is some sort of an evil presence. And that it doesn't matter if we leave the house. It doesn't matter where we go, that it's this thing that follows us. Because it gives you this knowledge. For one thing, it gave me this nightmare about my childhood pet that's passed away for many years ago now. My dog, my childhood pet, Tiger. And we're here at this house, and in this dream he comes around the corner, and I'm thinking, is that? Could that be him? Could that be Tiger? And he comes over and he's kind of wagging his tail and sniffing around my legs like dogs do. And then he looks up and I see that his eyes are hollow. It's black inside. His mouth is all black inside, and he's hollow, he's empty. It's not him. And then he stood up on his back legs. And the hollow dog just kind of started following me around, and I woke up. I was frightened. But I know that I'm gonna see that thing right there. I know I will. Not in a dream. Because that's why it presents that to me, is because it just wants to give me something so twisted, something innocent from my childhood, twisted into this hollow dog. And it lets me know that that's where it's going to come from. It's going to come from right there. But you can't get away from it. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. walk down this hallway in the dark anyway. Because I don't want to see it. Because I don't